Hi, I'm Melissa James. I work for the Thompson School District as the Resource Energy Manager. And on the daily basis, I am working on our utilities, making sure that our energy and water is being used efficiently. Every once in a while, I do get the opportunity to actually go and work with the students in the classroom to really work on that outreach and education side of things. With the 4th grade energy challenge, we have been able to go into the classrooms and really teach the students about where their energy comes from, how it is important to save and conserve on their energy use, and then also using those tools that we were able to purchase through the City of Loveland grant to show those students the real-time energy use of things that they are plugging into the walls, as well as their lighting, and also seeing the real-time data tracking through e-gauges. The long-term benefit of this program is really to have that bridging of the gap between the in-class learning and the at-home application. At the end of the 4 weeks, each of the students are given a conservation kit that was developed with the help of Platte River Power Authority, and in there the students are receiving light bulbs and faucet aerators and other tools that they can install at home. So this will allow them to take what they've learned in the classroom and be able to then teach it to their parents. And it will also allow the parents to see reductions in their energy bills and water bills as well. So this then creates a ripple effect as we are spreading this knowledge, starting here and rippling out to the rest of the community.
Some things that we learned is that you need to not use all the energy, and sometimes you gotta unplug some stuff to save energy. What I enjoyed was all the cool new tools we got to use.
We used the kilowatt to see how much energy we were using in each little part of the building. There was a bunch of light bulbs and a little plug-in stick, and the plug-in stick was very useful because there's so much little plug-ins that you could plug in, I guess.
Our class had a lot of fun, exploring how much energy we're using and how much energy usage was in the summer and the weekends versus school days and the beginning of the year. We're going to try to reduce our carbon footprint by 2030. Then we want to almost have no carbon footprint, so then we can only have renewable energy that won't harm trees or harm the earth.
The Thompson School District would not have been able to do this without City of Loveland Water and Power and the Platte River Power Authority funding and support.